is an important part of learning English, aspect of language learning. Reading skills refer to the specific abilities that enable person to read with independence and interact with the message. Students do a lot of reading at school. Reading strategies are skim, scan, predict, question, connect, and summarize. What kind of reading types do you know? I think you know that the first is intensive reading, extensive reading, scanning, and skimming. In my hand, I have a dictionary. What is dictionary? Dictionary is a book, gives a list of words in alphabetical order. When you meet new words, it is not difficult to find new words and pay attention what they mean. And at our library, we have many English books, English literatures. They are divided into levels. That's why I recommend during the break, during the holidays, and during the break, you can come to this library and read these books. When you have spare time, come to the library and read these books. Here, the first level of the books, you see Robin Hood, Gulliver's Travels, Andersen's Fairy Tales, and the others. Here, you see the books of the second level, and I recommend you read Little Women or Treasure Island and any others. Here you see the books of the third level about Tom Sawyer, I recommend you, and about Robinson Crusoe.